Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. For today's video, we are here in Sun Valley, Antipolo City to show you this multi-level, modern, tropical home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for our complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the frontage, we have about 17 meters. The orientation is facing north. The advantage is wala kayong direct sunlight dito sa harapan ng property, and the result is ang lamig dito sa inyong receiving or dito sa inyong pool area, no? And you also have the view ng inyong fairway dito sa golf area ng Sun Valley. Napakaganda sa itaas. And of course, mapapansin niyo yung ating uphill design for this property. One of the advantage is unobstructed yung hangin dun sa inyong second level, which is nandun yung inyong common area like your living, dining, and kitchen. So we have these huge sliding doors para to reduce the use of your AC. Pero if you want, we have built-in ACs din nakalagay dito sa inyong magiging bahay. In this area, we have itong inyong side garden or garden box in this space. Add some, alam niyo na, welcoming vibe. And upon entering from your service gate, maririnig nyo na yung water feature na nakalagay dito in this space. And ang ganda niyang pagpasok mo, parang napaka grandeur nung ano. And speaking of sa feng shui, napaka ganda rin nung ganyang feature. Kami naririnig kang tubig upon entering of the property. So in this space, we have your 4-vehicle carport. Covered na rin area na ito. Dito sa ramp, we have your maple flooring para non-skid sa mga sasakyan ninyo. And in this space, we have the provision for the elevator. So kunyari man you have your elderly with you na lilipat in this house, we have this space for the elevator hanggang doon sa itaas. So pwede kayong maglagay ng elevator in this area. So after the laundry in this area, pwede nyo gamitin to as the drying area, no? Perfect spot. Okay, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung other part nung inyong 4-vehicle carport on that space. Tignan natin doon sa split level ninyo. For the tiles dito sa inyong entrance, we have rough texture porcelain tiles. And again, kung naririnig dito sa mic, we have this water feature. Napakasarap pakinggan at ang gandang pagmasdan. We have two-way na going up papunta sa pool, and dito sa inyong receiving area or the porch, dito tayo daan. We also have step lights installed, SUS 304 stainless steel for our handrails and tempered glass. And upon reaching here dito sa inyong second level, we have itong inyong porch area in front of your main door and huge sliding door. So pakita natin, ikutin natin ang rewind. So we have this entire space. Pwede kayong maglagay dito ng inyong outdoor furniture. Perfect spot din to receive your guests while maintaining the privacy dito sa loob ng bahay. And of course, nandito kayo sa Antipolo is one of the focal point ng ganitong property is the view. So you have an unobstructed view ng inyong fairway. Again, dito sa Sun Valley, may tree line lang kaya medyo hindi nyo nakikita. And you also have the view on that area sa other part nitong Sun Valley. The bottom line is you have this nature or itong view na ito, very unobstructed dito sa inyong property. So you have that kind of view every day. So if you prefer na gamitin ito as your retirement area or everyday house, pwede kasi this area of Antipolo hindi naman ganong malayo sa Quezon City. Okay, so coming from your porch, we have this space. So again, one of the focal point itong property is your pool. So you have your infinity pool, again facing dito sa greens in front of your house. Napakaganda. And kung narinig nyo sa mic, yung hangin walang tigil. So one of the advantage nitong uphill design is lots of fresh air. Of course, nandito naman tayo sa Antipolo. Yung pinunta natin is yung nature, no? To reduce the use of your AC. Pero again, we have built-in ACs in this house. So kasama na yan lahat. Ganda ng pool ninyo. Covered na rin by a canopy coming from your third level. Mamaya tignan ulit natin yan. Okay, so we have itong inyong main door. For the main door, we have solid wood with your modern door lock. Pasok tayo and welcome to your room. Ganda. So upon entering from your main door, you have your open layout design dito sa buong second level. On the right side, you have the view nung inyong pool. Ganda, no? You have your huge fixed window installed, and again, these are tempered glass with aluminum frame. Germany brand yung kanilang ginamit. So on the left side, ito yung unahin natin. On the left side, you have your double height ceiling for your receiving or living space. What we love in this house, and of course, one of the focal point is your double height ceiling with your chandelier installed. Lots of natural light dito sa property at hindi lang yan, napakaaliwalas ng pakiramdam in this house because of your huge sliding doors. Walang tigil yung hangin sa loob ng property. Yan naman ang pinunta talaga natin, yung nature dito sa Antipolo. And by the way, speaking of nature, we have reticulated method for this house. Kung hindi nyo alam yan, yung reticulated method is yung tube na nilalagay sa ilalim ng bahay para sa maintenance ng anay. So every 6 months to 1 year, nilalagyan niya ng lason. Nagre-refill ng lason dyan para walang umakyat na anay dito sa property. So ganun pinag-isipan ng owner and ng builder itong property na ito. And again, I'd like to highlight this space. This is the extension ng inyong living area. If you have outdoor furniture in this space, napakaganda. Your stairs, pero mamaya na yan. We have your indoor garden plants in this space, parang Zen type yung kanilang design. Homey vibe, ang ganda, no? Adjacent dito sa inyong living or receiving area is your dining space. For the dining space, it can cater up to about 12-seater dining table. Ganyan kaluwag yung inyong dining area. Symmetrical dito sa inyong drop ceiling design. You also have your hanging lights installed. Add some warm and cozy vibe in this area. And lahat ng ginamit nilang ilaw dito, lahat LED lights na. So pagdating naman sa kuryente, very energy efficient yung buong bahay. And on either side, we have again your fixed window, kaya tagus-tagusan yung liwanag in this space. For the flooring, we have porcelain tiles with marble grain design, high gloss finish, engineered dito sa ating second level. Medyo nalilito ako. Okay, so ang ganda nitong area na ito, no? So in this space, pwede nyo pang gamitin as your informal dining. Yan, pwede nyo gamitin ito. Pwede kayo maglagay na another coffee table in this space. Well, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gustong i-maximize itong area na ito. So diretso ito hanggang dito sa inyong hallway. For our ceiling, we have fluted panels installed. The advantage is we have this acoustic effect dito sa loob ng property. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi gano'n nag-e-echo yung boses ko because of the panels na nilagay nila to. Hindi lang yan aesthetically, pero we have that functionality. Kunyari man, meron kayong piano rito and you mahilig kayo sa music, napakagandang tumugtog rito because of this acoustic, tawag mo dito, may less of ano yan mga effects pagdating sa sounds. So para hindi nag-echo yung space. You also have this, itong inyong sliding door with an access dito sa inyong pool area and your lanai. Tingnan natin. Dito ka, Raymart. Dito sa inyong space, of course, adjacent sa inyong dining is your lanai. Pwede rin kayo maglagay dito ng inyong outdoor furniture. Kung mahilig kayo sa alfresco dining, perfect spot ulit. For the flooring, ang ganda ng ginamit din ng flooring. Rough textured porcelain tiles para of course, pag ahon nyo rito, your kids or your elderlies or even you, hindi kayo madulas in this space. Okay, so ang ganda ng view in this area, no? At least kitang-kita nyo yung harapan with your pool. On this side, you also have an access coming from the stairs na dinaanan natin kanina. So yan, you have your pocket gardens in this space para hindi structural lahat, nagkakaroon ng terminate in case of design. Ang ganda. Balik tayo sa loob. Okay, so balik tayo dito sa loob ng bahay. I'd like to highlight itong mga accordion screen na ginamit nila dito sa lahat ng sliding doors. Napakaganda, no? Okay, so you have that kung gusto nyo na bukas yung inyong sliding doors and windows sa gabi, at least you have this protection para sa mga insects or mosquitoes. So ito yung inyong dining, your receiving or living space, at ito yung inyong hallway. Adjacent dito sa inyong dining area is your main kitchen. We have your island counter. And this bar or itong inyong breakfast nook, pwede nyo gamitin for your informal dining. At least 3 bar stools kasha in this space. You have this solid wood counter. I believe acacia itong ginamit nila, and this one is tangile or yakal. Okay, for our island counter, we have your integrated induction cook hub, Havel brand, and La Germania brand para dito sa inyong range hood. It also comes with your additional storage space for your utensils and cutleries. Ito yung inyong cabinet for the LPG or additional storage space dito sa inyong counter. You also have this, yung mga lagay ng inyong utensils. Piano finish for our cabinet. And dito naman sa ating L-shaped counter, we have quartz finish, parehas nitong inyong countertop. You have your 4-door refrigerator, Panasonic brand. And again, piano finish para dito sa ating mga hanging and base cabinets. So these are with yung ating carcass for our cabinet. These are custom cabinetry. Ang ginamit nila is plyboard or marine plywood para mas matibay sa moisture kapag nagluluto kayo or kapag nagpapakulo kayo ng tubig, yung evaporation, hindi masira yung cabinets ninyo. Pero itong kanilang cover, these are mga melamine na mga laminated wood. And again, marine plywood yung ginamit nila. Para mas presentable lang, kaya ganyan yung ginawa nila. Ang gandang tignan. Combination of gray and black. And of course, for our counter, we have your white quartz with your backsplash. Parang subway tile design na high gloss finish. So we have itong inyong dual sink, Hamden, yung kanilang ginamit na brand. You also have itong mga ilaw coming from your cabinet para mas maliwanag or mas ma-emphasize yung inyong kitchen. So ito naman yung additional space, maybe for other appliances or preparation area. Again, you have your cabinets with you or itong mga cabinets in this space. Okay, so ito naman yung inyong microwave dito sa space na ito, and lots of cabinets for your pantry or dry goods. Okay, so dito naman, we have itong inyong outdoor kitchen or the auxiliary kitchen. We have itong inyong almost floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage. Again, induction cook hub, integrated na rin ito sa inyong counter together with your range hood, base and hanging cabinets for your storage space, and your backsplash design with subway tile layout with marble green design. Ito rin yung inyong huge stainless steel for your sink. So in this space, we have your rough texture porcelain tiles covered na rin by a canopy coming from your third level, kaya secured itong space na to at hindi nababasa kapag umuulan. So we have this entire space at the back of the property. Pwede nyo gamitin as your drying area after the laundry. So pwede nyo gamitin ito as the laundry area. And we have also your side garden. Napakaganda niyan kapag tumubo na yung inyong bamboo trees. In this space, we also have itong mga wall lamps installed. Ganda, no? Okay, so coming from your outdoor kitchen or the auxiliary kitchen, we have your bedroom 1 located dito sa second level. So if you have elderlies with you, at least same level na lang ng common area. You have this space, kasyang-kasya yung inyong queen or double-sized bed with your AC already installed, cabinet for the storage, and the toilet and bath. Ang importante, we have this ensuite toilet and bath para hindi nagsasuffer yung privacy nung nagbe-bedroom dito. So itong inyong shower space with your water heater, your water closet, and your lavatory. Before tayo bumaba, pakita ko muna sa inyo itong powder room para sa mga guests. So we have this space, your lavatory, and your water closet. Baba naman tayo dito sa inyong split level. Sarado ko lang to. Ayan. So dito yung split level ninyo. You have a family area or a movie room na pwede nyong gamitin. By the way, for the stairs, we have acacia wood para dito sa ating staircase. And mahogany para dito sa ating handrails. Okay, so nandito tayo sa split level ninyo. We have this huge common area or pwede nyo gamitin as your gym, an office, or a movie room. No? Laki ng bahay, no? For the flooring, we have porcelain tiles, your split type AC, and an access dito sa inyong stairs going up. Kung mapapansin nyo, nag-echo yung boses ko, no? Kasi wala na rito yung mga acoustic na nakalagay, yung mga fluted panels. We also have itong panoramic window facing dito sa inyong 4-vehicle carport. Across dito sa inyong family area or the movie room, we have this space. Pwede nyo gamitin as an office, or another room. Well, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gusto i-maximize itong space na ito. We have your split type AC. And ito naman yung magiging maid's quarter, but currently may gagawin pa sila dyan. Meron din yung own toilet and bath. So baba tayo, ito yung dito kitang-kita yung inyong parking. Okay, so in this space, we have these stairs para syempre ma-access itong inyong ito yung inyong 4-vehicle carport, kitang-kita yan dyan. So for the 4-vehicle carport, covered na rin ito by a canopy coming from this level. We also have these hanging lights and yung inyong laundry area. Ayun, yung laundry area nyo with toilet on this side. Kita nyo yan. Rough texture tiles para dito sa stairs ninyo. And stainless handrails. Ang ganda nung nakalagay dito, no? So concealed itong inyong sliding door dito sa fluted panels. Balik tayo sa taas. Akyat na tayo sa itaas, no? For our stairs, we have this metal frame para dito sa ating stairs. Napaka-modern tignan. For our staircase and riser, we have acacia mahogany, and yakal for the handrails. So these are reclaimed woods, kaya kiln dry yan, hindi inaanay, napakatibay niyan. We also have itong tempered glass. Lots of natural light in this space because of your double height ceiling. And dito sa second level, we have your indoor balcony. Of course, dito sa inyong double height ceiling, you have your commanding view ng inyong receiving or living space. And what we love in this area, lots of natural light coming from your fixed window installed on either side nitong inyong property o dito sa facing sa facade. No? For the facade nitong property, facing ito dito sa inyong fairway, yung golf area dito sa Sun Valley. And napakagandang tignan. And of course, araw-araw mo makikita yung greens na yan. Napaka-relaxing ng vibe. Of course, we have itong inyong chandelier already installed with your cove ceiling design and a wood panels installed. It improves you parang na warm and cozy vibe in this area. And hindi lang yan, very homey yung vibe. Ganyan ang mga nagagawa ng presence ng wood sa loob ng property. By the way, for the flooring, we have your SPC laminated wood with wood grain design. The benefit nitong mga gitong klaseng flooring, hindi ito nagwa-warp. Ibig sabihin, these are PVC with wood grain design. It mimics the real wood. The advantage is kapag merong water leaks dito sa ceiling ninyo or may tubig coming from your bathroom, hindi ito nagwa-warp at hindi nasisira. Napakaganda niyang gamitin. And of course, ganun din yung feels niya. Parehas din ng wood. The only difference is hindi nasisira. Galing, no? Okay, so we have total of 4 bedrooms in this house. Dito sa second level, we have another bedroom sa baba. So total of 5. Ito yung inyong bedroom 2. For the bedroom 2, kasya in this space, maybe your double size bed or a single size bed in this area. You have your cabinet or pwede nyo gamitin as your shelves for your television set. You have your window type aircon and your huge or tall window. By the way, again, lahat ng ginamit nilang windows in this area and sliding doors in this house, lahat German brand aluminum with tempered glass. We also have itong inyong ensuite toilet and bath para dito sa inyong bedroom 2, which is also naka-jack and jill or shared toilet and bath dito sa inyong bedroom 3. We have your huge lavatory and using pa nila tong counter. We also have this water closet and the shower space. So coming from your bedroom 2, I'd like to highlight this common area. Ito yung inyong huge family area or family space. Napakalaki nitong area na ito, no? And of course, lalo na kapag you already have your furnitures in this area, lots of space, pwede nyo gamitin as your entertainment area rin. We also have your split type AC already installed. I guess that is 2 horsepower. You also have your cove ceiling design and an accent light. Ganda. Ganda this area, no? So dito nagko-converge yung mga tao dito sa rooms. Imagine you have your couch and you have your television set. So before bedtime, gandang gamitin itong space na ito. Okay, so in this area dito yung television set, you have your provision for your internet and your electric outlets. And again, you have your huge window, again tempered glass, and your sliding window. We also have itong mga nakalagay na screen. So lahat ng sliding windows and sliding doors nila with built-in screen. So if you want to enjoy yung nature, yung hangin dito sa Sun Valley, which is of course napakalamig lalo ngayong umuulan, pwede nyo i-enjoy yan without hindi kayo mag-worry sa mga insects na papasok. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Coming from your bedroom 2, bedroom 3 naman. For the bedroom 3, mas malaki ito compared doon sa previous bedroom natin. The location of your bed frame or mamili kayo, pwede in this area. You have your huge floor-to-ceiling cabinet. These are custom cabinetry. Floor-to-ceiling, lots of space or for the storage. Soft close hinges. Hanggang doon sa itaas na pwede nyo lagyan ng inyong mga kurtina or mga ginagamit nyo for your bed. In this space, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng shelves or cushion bench. Perfect spot to read your books or gamitin ito as the vanity area. Well, depende sa inyo. You have this space. Ganda nung layout. You also have your split type AC. And of course, ito yung inyong nakalink dito sa Jack and Jill bathroom ninyo from your bedroom 2. So, ayan. Kulang na lang yung inyong magiging enclosure, yung tempered glass. So, you have the shower space and itong inyong water heater. You also have floor-to-ceiling tiled wall, kaya napakalinis tignan. Going to bedroom 4, ito ulit yung inyong family area. Ganda ng ginamit nilang laminated wood dito sa buong second level or third level. No? You have your split type AC, 3 huge windows, location of your television set. So dito, kasyang-kasya yung inyong king size bed in this area. You have a cozy design and kompleto yung ilaw natin. Dito sa ilaw natin, ayan, 3-way yung ilaw natin, nagpapalit-palit na super white, warm, and yung ordinary na white na ilaw. Ang ganda ng mga windows na ginamit nila bukod sa quality, German brand, yung aesthetically din, yung design, napaka-dali din gamitin. Ayan. So you have your awning window and yung view sa labas. The advantage of this property compared sa ibang house for sale, itong property na to ginawa ito para tirhan. So yung quality materials and yung structural nitong property hindi tinipid. Meaning nung hindi tinipid, marami kasing materials naman na talagang pwede mong ilagay kapag gumagawa ka ng bahay. What I mean is yung pinakamagandang material in case of or in terms of finishing nilagay ng may-ari, 'di ba? Siyempre may standard naman pagdating sa structural na hindi mo pwedeng i-gamble kapag gumagawa ka ng bahay. So one is siyempre nag-hire sila ng engineers and architects in each property. So this is the area ng inyong magiging shower space, but currently wala pa yung ilalagay pa lang yung inyong shower fixture. You have your Posy brand para sa inyong water closet, your lavatory, and your walk-in closet. So, ayan. Okay, so punta tayo dun sa bedroom 5, which is also your master bedroom. Of course, for the master bedroom, ito yung pinakamalaki in terms of bedroom size. So, in this space, pwede pa kayo mag-assemble nung inyong waiting area or the anteroom. So, yan, pwede kayo maglagay ng inyong couch, tapos your television set. In this space, napakaganda pa, napakaluwag. Pwede kayo maglagay ng rug and your coffee table. So, before kayo or after you wake up, no? Tapos, meron kayong tea in this area. Very relaxing. Ito, we have your entire wall for the cabinet, lots of storage space. And again, yung cabinet nila, ginamit nila is for the cabinet, ang tawag mo doon yung custom cabinetry. Laminated wood yung kanilang pinang cover sa inyong cabinet. But for the carcass, parang ginamitan nila ng marine or plywood. Ito yung inyong anteroom, and of course, adjacent is your king size bed. So, nandito na yung inyong bed frame with your built-in headboard. Ganda, no? Kasya yung inyong king size bed. You also have your cozy design with your wood panels installed. Of course, itong inyong split type AC. And again, itong inyong huge sliding door. Napaka-quality ng mga sliding doors nila. You have your accordion screen. Magandang tignan, no? Hindi rin siya nagkakaroon ng hindrance or yung humaharang sa view mo kapag yung screen na standard din nilagay. So, pwede mong itago yung screen doon to enjoy your view. Yung inyong unobstructed fairway view dito sa golf area. For our balcony dito sa flooring, we have this very rough porcelain tile texture. Frameless tempered glass. Hanggang dito yung ating balcony. Ito naman yung binabayaran nyo sa Antipolo para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung outdoor. So you have that tree line. Napakaganda. Yan, may mga nag-golf dyan ngayon. Kahit na medyo umuulan. And itong area naman na ito yung inyong double height ceiling. So makakalakad pala kayo dito in this area. Wrap around pala yung balcony nyo hanggang dun. So in that area, pag akit natin ang hagdanan kanina, you have an access to the balcony. And you also have provision for an elevator. So kung wino-worry nyo na mahirap umakyat, we have a provision for an elevator. Okay, so tingnan natin yung walk-in closet natin. Haba na nilakad natin, no? Okay, so kitang-kita nyo yung size ng inyong bedroom 5 or yung inyong master bedroom. On the left side, you have the shower space, and again, wala pa yung inyong shower enclosure. You also have your jacuzzi already installed. Yan, nakalagay na dito. With your WPC wood as your accent. Gandang tingnan. And of course, you have your view nung inyong, again, nung tree line or nung mountain malapit dito. For the lavatory, you have your huge dual sink, Posy brand. Wala pa yung inyong vanity mirror. You have this very spacious counter. Yung inyong water closet, American standard with your bidet. And by the way, for the doorknob dito sa inyong bedroom 5 or the master bedroom, thumbprint yung kanyang access for your door lock. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new multi-level modern tropical home located here in Sun Valley, Antipolo City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website. Again, my name is Dean of Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.